In this video, we're going to dive into a fundamental part of the Chinese language, personal pronouns. Getting these right is a step towards sounding natural and clear when you speak. What are pronouns anyway? Let's start with a quick look at English. Imagine you're talking about your friend. You might say, David is a doctor. David lives in Beijing. I often visit David. It sounds repetitive, doesn't it? That's where pronouns come in. They are words that stand in for nouns. The word pronoun itself comes from Latin, where pro means in place of. So we can say, David is a doctor. He lives in Beijing. I often visit him. It's much smoother. Pronouns help us avoid repetition. Let's start by looking at pronouns when they are the subject of a sentence. The subject is the person who performs the action. Think of them as the doer. 我, I. This is the pronoun you use to talk about yourself from the first person perspective. 我喝茶. I drink tea. 我喝茶. 我是学生. I am a student. 我是学生. 你, you. This is the most common way to address one other person directly. You use this with friends, family, and people of similar age. 你去哪儿? Where are you going? 你去哪儿? 你叫什么名字? What is your name? 你叫什么名字? 他, he. This pronoun is used to refer to a single male person who is being talked about. 他是医生. He is a doctor. 他是医生. 他想学汉语. He wants to study Chinese. 他想学汉语. 她, she. This pronoun is used to refer to a single female person who is being talked about. 她喜欢看书. She likes to read books. 她喜欢看书. 她很高兴. She is happy. 她很高兴. You've now noticed something interesting. He and she sound exactly the same in Chinese. They are both pronounced 他. So, how do people know who you are talking about? Context. When you're speaking, the situation usually makes the gender clear. Historically, classical Chinese only used the character pa to refer to any third person, he, she, or it. The character for she, pa, which includes the female radical, was actually created much more recently, around 1917, under the influence of Western languages. Writers wanted a way to differentiate gender in writing, but they decided to keep the original pronunciation. So today, they look different on paper, but sound identical in speech. Now, let's talk about plurals. Making a pronoun plural is simple. You just add the suffix men, which should be pronounced in a neutral tone. It's light and short. 我们, we. This refers to a group that includes the speaker, I, plus others. 我们学汉语. We study Chinese. 我们学汉语. 我们是好朋友. We are good friends. 我们是好朋友. 你们, you, plural. This is used when you are speaking directly to a group of two or more people. 你们都很好. You are all good. 你们都很好. 你们想吃什么? What do you all want to eat? 你们想吃什么？他们 they, male or mixed group. This refers to a group of people being talked about that is either all male or includes both males and females. 他们去看电影 They are going to watch a movie. 他们去看电影他们是我的同学 They are my classmates. 他们是我的同学他们 They, all female group. This is used only when referring to a group of people that is entirely female. 他们在说话 They are talking. 他们在说话他们都喜欢中国菜 They all like Chinese food. 他们都喜欢中国菜Let's now summarize what we have learned. 我 I 我们 we 你 you 你们 you plural 他 he 他们 they male or mixed group 她 she 他们 they all female group Excellent work! You now have a solid foundation in Chinese personal pronouns. See you in the next video.